What should happen when a government agent violates your constitutional rights? Congress actually answered this question back in 1871, when it passed what would become our primary civil rights statute. Today, we call that law Section 1983, after its place in the U.S. Code. It says in plain terms that any state actor who violates someone's constitutional rights, quote, shall be liable to the party injured. That's it. And the reasoning behind this law is obvious. People whose rights are violated deserve a remedy, and that remedy promotes accountability among public officials. But the Supreme Court has effectively gutted Section 1983 through the invention of a doctrine called qualified immunity. This innocuous-sounding term is a defense that state officials can raise in civil rights cases, even if they've broken the law. According to the Supreme Court, but contrary to the plain language of Section 1983, it's not enough to show that your rights were violated. You also have to show that the defendant violated clearly established law. In practice, that's a very difficult standard to meet. It requires civil rights plaintiffs to show not just a clear legal rule, but a prior case with functionally identical facts. In other words, it's quite common for courts to say, yes, your rights were violated. But we can't find a case where anyone's rights were violated in quite the same way. So you lose. The practical effect of qualified immunity is that public officials, especially members of law enforcement, routinely get away with horrific misconduct. The Supreme Court's rewriting of Section 1983 denies justice to individual victims, and it undermines our best tool of ensuring public accountability. Qualified immunity is an unfair, unjust, and unlawful shield for government agents, and it's time we abolish it. For more information, visit unlawfulshield.com.